see you, Blake.
What is hemophilia, Dr. Carmondo?
Hemophilia is a bleeding disorder that causes the blood to take longer to clot. Sometimes you do not stop bleeding, and you can get joint bleeds, bleeding into the muscles, and possibly death.
What type of genetic disorder is it?
It is an X-linked recessive disorder.
What is the genetic cause?
It is most common in males because it is an X-linked disorder.
What are the tests for detecting chromosomal abnormalities?
Prenatal testing of amniotic fluid, postnatal testing in patients that bleed with factor VIII levels.
What are the treatments of this disease, Dr. Carmondo?
Early days of treatment consisted in plasma-derived factors, which pose a risk of infections, including HIV. Today, doctors use safe products to treat these patients, which do not transmit infections and HIV.
What are the risks of passing the disease on to offspring?
50% of carriers will pass this disease on to their offspring. Blake?
What is the frequency of occurrence?
The frequency of hemophilia is 1 in every 10,000 people in the U.S. 1 in 5,000 males and 400 babies are affected every year in the U.S. A large majority are males. I'm gonna go bring in the hemophiliac now.
Okay. I hit you with my balls. So can I catch your hemophilia?
Well, you can't catch, hemophilia because it's a genetic disorder. But, that was really rude of you to throw that ball at me earlier.
It wasn't on purpose. What's it like having hemophilia?
Well, when I was younger, it was really tough because, my older brothers played sports and, they were really athletic and, played all these different sports and I couldn't play because of my horrible disease and, I don't know, I had a really emotional childhood.
Oh, how many times have you been in and out of the hospital?
Well, throughout my childhood, I've been in and out of the hospital, several times. Gotta be over 100.
Oh, so what sports can you play?
Well, in my younger days, I couldn't really play sports with my friends, but once I started my prophylactic treatment, I was able to play, some sports, not really the physical sports, but I was able to play ping pong, curling, pool.
I know everything there is to know about hemophilia. I'm so excited. What is hemophilia, Dr. Carmondo?
Hemophilia is a bleeding disorder that causes... Okay, reading.
Chromosomal Hemophiliac. I hit you with my balls. So can I catch your hemophila?
I had a really emotional childhood.